meteorologist Andrew Collins, and it has been a dreary and just downright miserable Thursday. It has been a bad hair day, bad boot day, shoe day, just because of all the rain that we've had today. But at least the ducks are happy. Right now, the rain has moved out of the way, making for a cloudy night overnight tonight. 46 degrees, east-northeasterly winds moving pretty quickly at 15 miles per hour. But rain has definitely moved out of our way, off to the northeast into Alabama, where some storms are moving down from the Gulf, coming in to the southern part of Alabama. But we will be storm-free for the rest of the night here in Starkville. Temperatures around the southeast, 61, pretty warm in New Orleans, 62 in Mobile, 51 in Jackson, 46 in Starkville, and a pretty stark temperature contrast, 36 in Memphis, 31 in Little Rock. It's pretty cold. And for us here tonight in Starkville, it's going to stay warm, about a low of 44 tonight. The storms are going to be ending, giving us a storm-free night. Now, those warm temperatures are actually going to be sticking with us tomorrow, even though it's going to be a winter weather advisory from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. on Saturday, and a winter storm warning for more northern counties near cities in Pontotoc, New Albany, especially all the counties here in this pink color. And for the counties in the periwinkle color, that's for that winter weather advisory, meaning that we might see a snowflake or two here in Starkville. But to plan this out, we got the predictor at 3 o'clock in the morning, and Little Rock is where that snow is going to be starting to make its way into Starkville by early morning, about 7 o'clock. Here in Starkville is when we are going to see those first glimpses of snow, and especially this band that's going to be wrapping around this low pressure center, really going to be impacting Memphis and cities more north of us here in Starkville. By about 11 o'clock, we'll still be seeing some of those chances, maybe some freezing rain more to the north around Memphis. But snow is definitely going to be a little bit greater up there. By about 3 o'clock, we're going to start seeing it move out of the way to the northeast, impacting areas more along Nashville and Huntsville. And by about 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock later tomorrow night, it should be moving out of our way. Now, those warm temperatures are going to be the reason that it's going to keep us from getting prevent us from getting that snow. Earlier in the morning is going to be actually our highest temperature. 33 is probably going to be as cold as it's going to get in Starkville. Not going to get much colder, so we're not going to be seeing that snow, especially it's just going to be too far north of us. Now, for the snow totals for Friday, especially near Oxford, New Albany, cities in the purple are going to be approximately 2 to 5 inches, 1 to 3 for ones in the navy blue right here, and we might see a snowflake or two for the county, for Oktibbeha County and cities along West Point and Columbus. So it's just going to be too warm. And it's not going to be warm for too long. Look at the lows leading into next week. 23 overnight on Saturday, high of 48 on Sunday, 34 Sunday night, and then lows warming back up into the 50s and upper 40s leading into next week.